Paul Kagame took over as president of Rwanda in 2000, inheriting a country shattered by the 1994 genocide that claimed over 800,000 lives and severely damaged society. In an attempt to turn Rwanda from a war-torn nation into an example of social stability, economic prosperity, and political control, Kagame's administration launched an extensive reform program. 1. Economic Transformation. Vision 2020. A comprehensive plan launched by Kagame's administration aims to transform Rwanda from a low-income, agriculture-based economy to a middle-income country powered by industry, tourism, and technology. With careful budgetary management, infrastructure spending, and policies that support the expansion of the private sector, Rwanda was able to attain one of Africa's best growth rates, averaging 8.2% between 2022-2023. Notably, the government has invested in projects like the Smart Rwanda Master Plan to improve digital infrastructure, making Kigali, the capital of Rwanda, a magnet for ICT firms. 2. Healthcare and social services. In order to raise Rwandans' standard of living, Kagame's administration gave healthcare and education a lot of attention. By implementing community-based health insurance, his government increased access to healthcare and made it possible for the majority of people to have universal coverage. As a result, health outcomes improved and death rates from illnesses like HIV, AIDS, and malaria significantly decreased. Increased funding for technical institutions, vocational training programs, and schools help to enhance the education sector by giving workers the skills they need to adapt to the changing market. 3. Political stability and control. Rwanda under Kagame is frequently commended for its stability, which was attained by implementing stringent social programs and maintaining centralized authority. Although this has been praised for averting the resurgence of ethnic conflicts, detractors contend that Kagame's administration restricts journalistic freedom, puts limitations on political opposition. Critics say that Kagame's record of winning several presidential elections. 4. Reconciliation and social unity. In an effort to eradicate ethnic differences and promote a unified Rwandan identity, Kagame's administration has made national unity and reconciliation a key component of its programs. His government made it possible for survivors and offenders to live in harmony by implementing programs like the Gakaka courts, a community-based legal system designed to promote restorative justice for genocidal crimes. In an effort to prevent a recurrence of previous divides, Kagame's administration has outlawed discrimination based on ethnicity and has publicly promoted Rwandanness over ethnic identity. 5. Foreign policy and regional influence. By participating in regional security and peacekeeping operations, Kagame has attempted to position Rwanda as a major actor on the African continent. Under his direction, Rwanda has established solid relationships with international organizations and other countries, made substantial contributions to UN peacekeeping operations, and established itself as a reliable and stable partner in Africa. Nonetheless, there has been controversy surrounding Rwanda's actions in neighboring DR Congo due to claims of assistance for armed groups. Rwanda has gained both supporters and detractors for Kagame's foreign policy stance, highlighting his practical approach to preserving regional power. 6. Challenges and criticisms. Despite Rwanda's advancements, Kagame's administration is heavily criticized. Human rights groups have charged his administration of political repression, citing stories of opposition leaders and journalists being harassed, imprisoned, and in many cases, going missing. Critics contend that in order to achieve political stability and quick economic progress, Rwanda's success story has come at the expense of democratic freedoms, with civil rights being restricted. Some people view Kagame's concentrated governing style as dictatorial, which raises questions about the stability of the nation in the event that a political transition becomes challenging.